Welcome to another Small Bites. We have two visuals on this page, and what we want is a larger visual, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to make it much larger. Then I'm just going to slightly move that down and make this one about the same size. Now the goal here is to do bookmarks. So we go to the View ribbon, and on the View ribbon we're going to turn on the Selection panel, and we're going to turn on the Bookmarks panel. Now the first one, as you can see, is Average Maximum Salary. I'm going to hide that. So now we have the minimum. So I'm going to add a bookmark, and I'm going to rename the bookmark as Minimum. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn back on the maximum, turn off the minimum, and I'm going to add another bookmark. I'm going to double click, call this maximum, and now we're going to add some buttons within here. We're going to go to Insert, Button, and I'm going to choose a blank button, and I'm going to size it and move it over a little bit. Now with this button, I come over to our options over here. You can see if it's selected. I have all the way over here to the format. The action is going to be on. The type is bookmark. And for this bookmark, we want to see the maximum. And I tab out and I click off the button. Now, notice the button. I'm going to go back to the button, and in here, under General, I could add a title to the button, but titles will position themselves above. If I go back to the button and I select Style and turn on Text, we're going to call this the Maximum Salary Average. We could change the color. I'm going to change the color to black. Let's click away. Let's do another button, again a blank button. Move it, position it and size it. Make sure it's selected. Then format the button. The action is on. The action is a bookmark. We're going to pick minimum this time. And then we're going to go up to our style. Add some text. This is going to be the average salary, or sorry, minimum salary average. I tab out, and let's come all the way out of all of these panels, and let's see if it works. We have the average maximum salary currently displayed. I'm going to hold my control button down and click on this one. I see the average minimum. I go here, I see the maximum, and I see the minimum. If you've learned something from this small bite, make sure you hit that little like button down below, and please subscribe.